and welcome back to the Keys Kids channel. And I'm Miss Keys. We are back for a brand new episode and a brand new year. It is 2021, you guys. We have walked into a brand new year. And I just want to start this year off by saying thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for letting me read to you guys. And I can't wait to continue this journey. Now, with this new year, of course, we're going to start a new series. Our new series is called the Between the Lines series. And for these next couple months, we're going to read some phenomenal books. And we're going to focus in on the theme. That's right, you guys. We are revisiting theme. We know that theme is just the big picture the author wanted us to take away from the story. But when you're looking for the theme, the author doesn't just say it outright. No. You have to go between the lines, between those wonderful words to figure out what the author wanted you to take away from the story. I am so excited for this series. I'm so excited to take another journey with you guys. So with all of that being said, are you guys ready to read? Well, put on your reading hats and let's go! Mixed, a colorful story by Arree Chung. In the beginning, there were 3 colors: reds, yellows, and blues. Reds were the loudest. La, 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 la. Yellows were the brightest. And blues were the coolest. Everyone lived in color harmony until one afternoon when a red said, "Reds are the best!" The yellows disagreed. "No! We're the best because we're the brightest!" The blues were too cool to even respond. The colors decided to live in separate parts of the cities. Oh, they got Redville and Blue Town and Yellow Heights. But then, one day, a yellow noticed a blue, and something happened. "I feel so happy when I'm near you." "And I feel so calm when I'm with you." Yellow and blue became inseparable. Life felt so vibrant, but not all the colors were happy about it. "Colors shouldn't mix. I don't like yellow's effect on blue. That blue isn't bright enough for yellow." But yellow and blue loved each other so much, they decided to mix. Oh, they got married! Together, they created a new color. They named her green. Green was bright like yellow and calm like blue, but really she was a color all on her own. Everyone was fascinated. "She's so cute! I've never seen anything like her before." Even the grumpy colors fell in love with green. "Can I hold her?" The colors began to see new possibilities. Soon, other colors mixed, and mixed, and mixed, and mixed. There were so many new colors and a lot of new names. Be careful, Jade. Don't forget your glasses, Lavender. Have fun, Amber. The old neighborhoods of Redville, Bluetown, and Yellow Heights didn't make sense anymore. Everyone wanted to live together, so they rebuilt the city. The new city was full of color. It wasn't perfect, but it was home. The end. I love this book, and I know what you guys are gonna say. I say it every time, but I loved it. It was such a good book. I loved the book. And even though we're no longer in our enjoying the book series, you can still think about your favorite parts of the books. What really made you excited? What really just made the book for you guys? In any series, in any focus we have, always remember to enjoy the story you're reading. But let's get to our lesson focus. Remember, we're focused on the theme. And we know that the theme is the big picture the author wanted you to take away from the story. What was the most important message? What was the moral? What was the lesson the author wanted you to take away from the story? When you read between the lines, what did you see? Well, if you noticed at first, the colors were separate. They didn't get along with each other. They thought this one was better than this one. And then by the end of the book, they realize that they're even better together. The theme of the story Mixed by Arree Chung is that together you can make things more beautiful. We don't have to be separate because we're different. We're all the best at being us. But when we work together, when we do things together, when we create together, when we live together, when we love together, we can make the world more beautiful. And I think that was a phenomenal theme. I want to thank Arree Chung for such a phenomenal book. I will pass this book down to my children. I'm so glad I can pass it down to you guys. Just thank you because it was great. Now, on Monday, on the Keys Kids Channel Instagram, you'll find our next book of the week. And then Saturday, right here on the Keys Kids Channel YouTube, you'll find me reading to you. I am so excited for our next book. Please don't forget to go like, subscribe, share with everyone you know. And don't forget to go comment below. With all that said, you guys, it's time to go. But don't worry, because I'm going to see you guys next week on the Keys Kids Channel. Bye!